Could Sasquatches possibly be using infrasound to keep people away as a desperate effort to keep their dwindling species alive? We checked in with forensic audio analyst Dr. Robert Maher, who first compares the recording to known animals found in the area, starting with the wild boar.
It's making a kind of a chirpy kind of sound rather than a long howl like the Sam Houston recording.
If it's not a boar, could it be another local animal, like the fox? Maher doesn't think so.
Rather than being a howl, it's much more of a modulating kind of thing. So it didn't seem like the fox would be a likely candidate.
However, when it comes to the coyote,
we can see the sound starts at a lower pitch, goes up, and then sustains at that level. And that's similar to what we heard in the Sam Houston recording. I can't say that it's absolutely certain, but it's similar enough that I think that's a possibility.
Okay, so maybe a coyote. But what about the big man himself? Maher checks for a Bigfoot match using the popular Sierra sounds.
We see a continuous sort of tone, but it's very short in duration and tends to be more of a yippy quality, where the observation in Sam Houston was more of a howl. The characteristics are different enough that they're not the same source.
Our verdict? Unknown animal noises. While we have ruled out most of the local wildlife, the coyote was similar, but not a clear match, and the Sierra sounds had a different tone. Nothing lined up well enough to make a clear call. But if you ever find yourself in the Sam Houston National Forest, like Boyd, be prepared for something strange to happen. Be prepared to record it, and be prepared to run.